grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello, all you wonderful people out there. Welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's Chris representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, so today we have another mukbang because it's been a while since we've had a mukbang, right?
Yes, long time.
So mommy, what's the occasion for today's mukbang? You want to tell them?
Now you tell them.
Guys, today we are celebrating. Guess what we're celebrating? We are celebrating our 1,000 subscribers! We did it! We can't even believe that we did it.
Yes, imagine that. Thank you to everybody who support me and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Really, so appreciated.
We love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. 1,000 people out there love us and want to see more.
Man, when we started that journey, we never expected nothing like this.
Nah, we didn't expect, I don't know what we expected. We just started and we were hoping for 1,000 of course, but it was definitely a long year of hard work, editing, filming, and you know. And
most definitely.
And we did it. We did it. So
cheers.
What are we eating, mommy?
First we are drinking.
First we're
cheers,
drinking.
Guys.
Cheers. Campari and orange juice. Even though I'm not a Campari girl.
Well,
that's what
better
we have.
start to be one.
So guys, we have some
Jamaican food.
I was gonna say jerk chicken, curry goat, and rice and peas and vegetable. Mommy have German schnitzel.
Yeah, which is really definitely German. I just didn't feel like it today. So I'm coming from work and so I was dreaming about schnitzel all day. Never expected so much though.
And we even have a cake here to celebrate, guys.
Yeah, that's why name again?
Schwarzwälder Kirsch, my favorite cake ever, German cake.
Except for Käsesahne-Torte.
Okay, that's your favorite. This is my favorite, especially when
I like that one.
When it has a strong rum taste, then I love it even more. Some of them don't do too much
but
rum.
we don't know that yet.
We don't know. Yeah, let's try the food finally, guys. I'm so hungry. It's been so long since we did a mukbang. It's been so long since we even just sat down and filmed.
Yes, and today you do all the talking and I get to eat.
Is that so?
I love schnitzel. Can make them out of veal or pork. Some people don't like pork. I don't even know what that is now. I guess
Out of chicken, out of pork.
Yeah, chicken. Yeah.
Some people do with potato.
Sprinkle it with lime over it. Yeah, man. Well.
Those things I would call what? Pork chicken.
No?
She's eating them with these potato things, guys. Show them.
Yeah, we call them croquetten.
Guys, I was really in the mood for Indian food today. Really in the mood. It's been so long since I haven't.
You walked so far. And then what happened to the place? It did lock.
The place wasn't there anymore. It just gone. Like Corona mashed them up. So no more Indian food for me, because
That happened in your areas too. Places just locked down a lot and some new ones pop up.
well, that's why I always try to support my Jamaican restaurant here, you know, because I don't want her to lock down.
No!
So we always
Oh my
support
God.
her. But it's like just this one time we didn't really feel like Indian food.
Yes, you really have to check out her place.
It's really cool.
Here in Frankfurt. And the name is Pickles. No? I get that one right.
But guys, it was so funny when we hit the 1,000 subscribers. It was,
oh my god.
It was last Sunday. We were gonna film on that day. And after it happened, we were so excited we couldn't film anymore.
That was just done.
We're gonna do like...
It was just like one more, and one more.
We were getting closer and closer and closer. We couldn't believe it though.
And then she came in and was screaming off my ears.
Yeah, she was cussing me out.
Yeah, because you're deaf me.
She's like, yeah, we made it. Oh guys, we're so happy. We're gonna make this pizza video where we compare the vending machine pizza versus pizza out of a pizzeria, and we're gonna blindfold ourselves and so on. We had this whole video planned.
Because Frankfurt now has its first vending pizza machine, or what you want to call that thing.
Yeah, supposedly it makes it fresh, like fresh.
In 3 minutes, I believe.
Yeah, so we
Which
wanted...
is really cool if you think about it, you know, just a machine and then you put in the money and the pizza comes out. So,
Yeah,
but
so-
it's coming.
Yeah, it's
We're
coming.
working on it.
We didn't get to film it, guys, but it's coming.
Yeah, because we were too excited.
Why? Thank you again so much for subscribing. Each and every one of you who subscribed, thank you. We love you so much. It
Yeah.
means the world to us. That 1,000 people love us.
Yeah. Imagine.
And then I said, this calls for celebration. We can't just do a normal video as if nothing happened.
Yeah, so they have to do something. Right.
So we are here in true Jamaican experience fashion, doing a mukbang again.
Yeah, Jamaican food, German food.
You didn't even look at it like that, it matched perfectly.
Yeah. We are genius.
Didn't even think about it like that. First I was like, I feel like India. My mom was like, no, I feel like German. Then we end up with Jamaica. Yeah, it's just about what we feel like today, you know?
You guys already know what I miss the most, right? I don't think I have to say that again.
1, 2, 3, breadfruit!
Anybody come down here also from Jamaica or England, or I don't care where you get the breadfruit from, just send it down. Or send me a link where I can get some. I'm desperate here, really.
Yeah, we're still desperate for breadfruit, guys.
Yeah.
So if you know where we can get any, link us up.
Man, if I could, I would plant a tree. Maybe we should try plant a tree.
You want to try some of the
Somebody
fruit?
carry one sucker down.
That wouldn't grow, mommy. This feels for
Remember our breadfruit tree up a yard?
You want to try some
Okay, I
of
must have big fan now.
What do you think?
Nice. And the food always nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, life updates. See? I'm back in university now, holiday done. And
Actually having fun.
it's not fun, guys. It's been catastrophic so far because I'm supposedly studying abroad while in Germany. I should be in Malaysia right now.
Imagine that.
Studying abroad, but because of the corona, the cockroaches, like this dirty guy, cannot study abroad.
Everything.
So guys, this university is very unorganized, so I still haven't officially been to any classes. I'm just registered to a few classes, and those classes that I'm registered to, somehow there are problems surrounding that as well, and it's a headache. Yeah, but this is gonna be my last semester, and then I'm done.
Oh my god. Imagine.
This is music to her ears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I gotta quit my job.
Alright, take time. But yeah, so this is gonna be my last semester. That should be exciting. I really want to just travel the world after, but let's see what happens after. We have to work first, and
hopefully Corona goes one side.
yeah, maybe we have to do a little working first and see if we could Or maybe we can manage to just leave right away and do it, go world travel.
What's wrong with you the other day? That guy do it with no money at all. I saw him say.
Yeah, a lot of people are traveling.
Yeah, we just hitchhike and things like take a little paddle boat.
Yeah, but that sounds good.
Yeah.
I mean, you sure need some money, but you don't have to have the biggest budget ever.
Nah.
I'm telling you. So guys, comment down below what you guys have been up to. Comment down below some video ideas for us, what you'd like to see us do.
And if you like to see some of Frankfurt videos, Frankfurt is really big and it's actually really nice.
Yeah, but it's getting colder now, so.
Oh my god.
I don't know if I'm willing to do the vlogs.
Autumn now and we're getting to winter. You know what that means? Jackets, socks, the whole 9 yards. Oh god.
So I don't
No
know.
more flip-flops.
I don't know if I want to do no more vlogs. Maybe in December we'll do some vlogs showing you all how it looks in winter time, in Christmas time I mean.
Maybe we're lucky we have a Christmas market.
Yeah, because maybe we'll have the Christmas market, maybe not. But even if, it's always nicely decorated here. And it's always a nice sight to see. I could show you guys that.
Definitely.
But yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice for Christmas going home to Jamaica. That would be nice too.
Can't only dream about that, mommy. Next year, hopefully, maybe. So tell us something new.
Who?
Tell us something new.
Something new? I want to quit my job and travel the world.
That's not new, that's old.
Yeah, no, that's new.
That's okay, that's new for them maybe.
It's not new to you, but
it's new to them.
New to you guys. Would you do that actually? Quit your job and travel the world? Comment down below.
And a low budget too.
Low budget.
But I think we can do it though. But yeah,
they have all kind of stuff also, like house sitting. I did find that really interesting, taking care of somebody's house and maybe the cat, and some have dogs and whatever it's like, and it's all over in the world. And that's not interesting.
Yeah, so I'm good. Definitely is an option where we are looking into.
Yeah, because you can stay for free. Most likely I think you don't get paid. Most people like.
You don't need to be paid.
But at least you don't have to pay for accommodation also. I mean that's something, don't you?
Yeah, definitely.
And we can take care of the cat.
Yeah, we can work with the cat. Maybe the dog will be too much work.
I will take one little handbag dog.
Okay, can we everywhere.
Exactly. You know, little dog where you can put in your handbag. They're so small you don't even see them. You have to watch out you don't step on them. Oh, but that is new.
But guys, I really want to say that we are sorry for not posting the last few weeks as often as we usually post. Because it's not like us.
Busy.
Because usually we really are good at posting twice a week, you know? Like we kind of always were able to keep up that schedule, you know?
True.
But in September, guys, I took on a little job. And you know.
Yeah, that was such fun, eh?
Guys,
She did have quite a job, man. Really.
the job was okay, you know. Was okay, but I'm glad it was just a month. Like, it really took away my time, so I couldn't do the YouTube so much, but I feel like them slaved me out. Mommy don't like that word.
Yeah.
Mommy don't like the word, but I feel like they took advantage of me. But it was good. It was like a summer job to me, you know. As long as you know to stop and you don't make people continue take advantage of you, then everything's good.
Yeah, Yeah, it's like you didn't get paid for all the traveling.
It's like, it was actually a cool job, but the way how them pay it wasn't good. So like, it was a catering company, like a food truck company, and they would send us to different parts of Germany to cater for people there. And as you can imagine, if you are traveling a lot and going to different parts of Germany, it's a lot of driving involved. So we mainly had more driving than the actual catering. And the sad part was they would only pay half of the driving. So it's like you're always on the road and you're only getting paid for half of the driving. And it just wasn't worth it. Like, I could never do that for long term. But like, as a summer job, it was fine.
Yeah, for experience, like.
For the experience, it was fine. For summer job purpose, it was fine.
But we wouldn't recommend it.
But that job was such a rip-off, I feel like. Like, if I was doing just a normal job working at a cash register somewhere, I would have been paid all my hours, you know. But at least I got to see a bit of Germany, even though not really, because the hotels were always far out in the countryside.
In the bushes.
You know?
Way down in the bushes, guys.
You know, I was like, yeah, at least I get to see the cities in the evening, but we were so far out.
Yeah, like one time we've been to Dresden, no?
It
is a nice town, but she didn't really get to see any much.
No, I didn't get to see much.
You can Google it.
But you live and you learn, so at least now I know. Respected people, then we can do that job for long, but no.
Yeah, you can say that again.
No, but guys, tell me if I'm wrong. Would you guys be doing a job where, because for example, when I went to Berlin, like 7 hours drive. So you're getting paid to go to Berlin, but you're not getting paid to come back from Berlin. So it's like you dash for one whole day, you give them one whole day of your time. You give them a whole day of your time, so like...
Yeah, you just stay one day for... Not like...
Yeah, and then the nights too, you're so in a foreign place, so it's not like you're home with family, to bother them.
Yeah.
It's always so, you know... So homesick, especially if you're in a hotel in the middle of nowhere. Maybe for the town where you can actually go somewhere. But
them cheaper or something.
Yeah,
or
that's...
They get a good rate. Who knows?
Yeah, but that's what kind of kept me busy. But now that job is over, so I'm just gonna be focusing on my studies so I can really be done next year in March.
Yeah. Yay!
Hopefully everything works out with this university, you know?
Yeah, keep your fingers crossed.
Because they're really slacking right now. Imagine they're watching this, but I don't. But they should know they're slacking, you know? I don't have to tell them. Mommy, you ready to try the cake?
Ooh.
Guys, I really want to try the cake. It's looking at me the whole time.
Yeah, look like so much. I made a place in Munich where we get like 10 of them schnitzel.
Oh yeah, guys, we have this already on camera where we had the schnitzel in Munich. It was so huge.
Bigger plate and it was like 2, 3, 4 something schnitzel. Nobody can eat off that, trust me man, nobody.
It was like the whole plate was just schnitzel and then the next plate was... No, the fries were underneath, I remember.
Ah, okay, I couldn't manage the fries. But we can eat the schnitzel home later.
And we still couldn't even eat it off later that night.
No, we didn't.
So, close to my favorite cake in the whole wide world, Schwarzwälder Kirsch.
It is some cake forks.
Yeah, these are not the proper forks. But who cares?
Yeah, forgive us.
We also don't have the proper glasses. We actually have wine glasses, but it's not even wine, it's Campari. So.
Yeah, and you don't drink Campari out of a wine glass. No.
But also not out of a cola glass.
Well, we are special.
This is so good. Wait.
Where did you get that one from? Where did you get it from?
This was at the train station, the bakery there.
Really?
Really good.
Inside the Hauptbahnhof? Top floor? So.
Close to McDonald's there.
Ah. time I know that place. And sometimes buy stuff there for my people there at work.
Oh wow, it's so good, but I can't taste the alcohol in there. Can you taste alcohol? Can you taste alcohol in there?
We taste so much in my glass.
Exactly. I think because we have so much in here, we can't taste it here.
Can we overdo it a little bit with the alcohol in there so if you later see us like, woo!
But I really can't taste any.
Yeah. It's so nice.
So guys, this is how I love the cake. When it has a lot of rum in there, whatever they put in there.
Yeah.
But honestly speaking,
It's
I
like
think
tipsy cake.
I love anything sweet with alcohol. Like you see chocolate with alcohol, I also love that.
Rum and raisin.
Rum and raisin is my favorite chocolate.
Do you guys love cake and chocolate?
And Jamaican wine cake. And Jamaican also rum and raisin chocolate.
You say you want to try Christmas cake. Jamaican Christmas cake.
I want to try it this year, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get all the ingredients. But I really want to try it. I'm going to try and make that cake here in Germany.
It's gotta be a German Jamaican Christmas cake.
Yeah.
No?
You mean that with German ingredients?
Yeah, whatever we can find.
No, I really want it to taste
right
like...
now about the ingredients.
No, I really want it to taste like it, so I'm going to do my best. Guys, I have one big question for you, Anne. If you're still watching, that is.
You better.
I want to ask you guys, what is your favorite video of us since the whole year? Like, us being on YouTube, what was your favorite video of us? I would genuinely love to know this. What do you think they're gonna say? I mean, I know they love your story times.
I love your happy video.
Yeah, but I really want to know what your favorite video is. Comment down below, guys.
I love making vlogs when they're trouble. Oh.
We love making the travel vlogs, but it's like you guys don't like watching them so much.
Yeah, how come? Comment down below.
Yeah, tell us how we can make them better if there's a specific reason. I mean, I feel like honestly we can give ourselves some critique, and like in some of the travel videos we didn't show much of ourselves, we didn't speak as much. But you have to remember, like, we were still so new to all of that, like filming outside in the big outdoors.
Yeah, in front of people, talking in front of people, which is really weird.
So I feel like we were very shy, but like the videos that
we got better though.
Yeah, I feel like we gradually got better. Like even the last video that we posted of us here in Frankfurt, like I was behind the camera because somebody has to film us, right? But at least we're more in front of the camera. Like she was always explaining it, so I feel like that video was nice. And I also love that video where we ate at that Boots restaurant that night and we got lost on the way to
oh my god, yeah.
That one I also really enjoyed. And
yeah, aber wir didn't drink there again. What was it where you had too much fun?
Some schnapps.
Ah ja, genau.
For the video.
Oh my god.
Now we drop the crib.
You done yours already? What are you craving?
It's so good. You ate some of mine, what do you mean?
You can have a butter make it the top.
No, she ate some of mine, right?
No sir.
You like you ate mine, I wouldn't have done it so far.
Alright, I will share it with you. That's true love, guys.
Guys, we're so happy to have made it to 1,000. I can't say it enough.
Yeah, no, I can't believe it. Chocho, we can't believe.
Cannot believe
This actually really happened. Because sometimes it takes so long and you get like one more subscriber and then for the longest while you don't hear nothing.
Yeah, it was definitely a journey. Like I feel like some months we did so well with the subscribers and some months it was so slow. And some months we would do good. Again, like so far. I remember us making 100 subscribers in 2 weeks, more than one. And then sometimes it takes you 2 months to make 100 subscribers. So
Yeah.
it was an interesting journey and we're here for it. We definitely love doing YouTube videos for you guys and sharing our experiences.
And it's kind of fun.
Yeah, definitely. We enjoy. It brings us closer.
We are already close.
But it definitely brings us closer, you have to admit.
Yeah, because normally I would be sleeping now.
Normally she would already kick me out of the room and say, go outside now, it's my
because I have
time.
to wake up early. You don't know what I'm feeling, guys. Come on. At least I still have a job.
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate that you have a job at this time.
Oh. Can't believe we eat off that cake. But Tim couldn't manage it.
Yeah, but it's just so good, it just melts on your tongue.
Oh my god.
Guys,
which side do you want? You want with the whipped cream or?
I'll take the whipped cream. Comment down below if you've ever had Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. Or any German cake for that matter. Cannot compare. So much cream filling and
that was delicious.
So one last prost to you and to you guys. Prost to you as well. Cheers. Thanks for subscribing again. I feel like we're overdoing it now.
No, I don't think so.
Just know that we're really appreciative.
Enough.
Yeah, and it's
Thanks and praises
from the bottom of our hearts.
Yeah, really, truly. I don't lie.
So guys, you know, I think that was it for today's video.
Yeah, we just want to thank you and say hello, and we haven't forgotten about you, and videos are coming.
Yeah, life
We're still busy with university this week. Hope so that you're gonna be busy if you ever get into that
Exactly,
system.
I hope I'm gonna be busy because right now things are not running good. But
yeah.
we want to get back on schedule.
But it only can get better, yeah.
Yeah, we want to get back on schedule and at least post twice a week.
Before the next one can be the pizza one. Before you get ice cold out there.
Yeah, we want to do that one next, the pizza video. Yeah. And then there's Halloween coming up. We have a Halloween video in plan, guys.
Yeah, we even have the close-up from last year, which we never do. I don't even remember what kind of costume I did get.
Guys, we had this stuff from last year for real. We wanted to film and then
yeah, something came up.
Oh man. But this year we'll definitely film that as well, so stay tuned.
Yeah. Woo!
Mother and daughter version of Halloween. So guys, I hope our celebration wasn't too dull. You know, it was just a normal little mukbang get together. Yeah. We love to celebrate with food, don't we? We love, at least I love to celebrate with food. I don't know about you guys.
Well, I think food is part of the celebration.
And it's hard to celebrate with music too, because it's not like we can just play music because we're gonna get copyrighted here on YouTube, you know?
Yeah, tell me about that. Everything are copyrighted.
Yeah guys, so thank you all for watching.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Be good.
We love you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Comment something below.
Yes, we love you.
Like, share, subscribe, and